Hello students, this is your science sir, Vardhan sir. We are going to discuss today unit 3 changes around us. The topic of the lesson is changes around us. Okay, this lesson comes under a chemistry portion. Um, from this lesson, what are all the learning objectives are there? Students, to state the effect of heat on solid, liquid, and gas and the associated changes in the arrangement of particles upon heating. Then, to differentiate physical change and chemical change on the basis of particle theory. Okay, next, to involve in experiments crystallizing copper sulfate, melting ice, freezing water, sublimating camphor. Then, to identify the process as a physical change or chemical change based on its characteristics. To clarify the process of rusting, burning of paper, curdling of milk, reaction of baking soda with lemon juice, then to distinguish periodic and non-periodic changes, to experience the endothermic and exothermic changes through simple activities. Okay, students, we are entering the introduction part of the lesson. Okay, students, our topic of the lesson is changes around us. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we using many materials. Okay, whether it is um, useful or not useful, that state of the material can change. State of the material can change. Okay, students, changes takes place around us all the time. Changes takes place around us all the time. Okay, students, a change refers to an alteration in physical properties or alteration in the composition of matter. Composition of matter in the sense chemical properties is nothing but chemical change. Okay, students, for example, ice melts on heating, that is, it changes from a solid to liquid. On further heating to the ice, okay, we'll get water. Water starts evaporating. It changes from a liquid to gas. Here, there is a change in a physical state of the substance. Okay, physical state of the substance in the sense there is no form new substance. There is no form new substance. Here there is a change in the physical state of the substance. Let us look at another change. That is when objects made of iron are exposed to moist conditions. Okay. A reddish brown new substance called rust. Okay, இரும்பு துருப்பிடிச்சு போகிறது சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? Okay, called rust forms on the surface of these objects. Okay, students, in this instant of rusting, there is change in the composition of the substance. Thus, the change involves an alternation in the properties such as color, texture, and state of the substance, since there is formation of new substance. So about these things and all we are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, next, let us go for another set of example. Okay, you take a cup of water, which may be a paper cup. Heat a cup of water and a paper. The water upon heating become just hotter and hotter, and at some point will become water vapor. Okay, water starts boil. Okay, we'll get water vapor. Okay, it remains water at all times. Okay, water வாட்டராகவே இருக்கும். Okay, which will not give the new substance, which will not change into another substance. Okay, that is water remains the same. only its volume changes, okay, due to evaporation nala, so volume may be changed, okay, and hence it is called as physical change. So once again I'll tell you students, physical change in the sense there is no new substance will be formed. Okay, if it is chemical change, there will be the new substance will be formed. Okay, whereas in case of burning of paper, changes to carbon dioxide and other substances. Okay, now we can't get back the paper after burning. Okay, the change is happening here. Okay, when we when the paper will be burn, there is the new substance will be formed there. Okay, now we cannot get back the paper after burning, as there is a change in the chemical nature. Okay, it is called as chemical change. When you mix sugar in water, is it a chemical change or physical change? When you mix sugar in water, is it chemical change or physical change? You assume it. Okay, next, look at the following list. Under the diagram, you are seeing some 8 pictures are there. Okay, rusting of iron, digestion of food, boiling egg, rotten banana, mixing sand and water, chopping wood, crushing a can, mixture of different colored buttons, and burning of wood. Okay students, you are seeing that 8 pictures. So I'll tell you what change happening there. In rusting of iron, there is the chemical change, and digestion of food, there will be chemical change, and boiling of egg, there is the chemical change, and rotten banana also physical, rotten banana is the physical change. Okay, then sand and water, the conical flask containing sand and water, which is the physical change, and the chopping wood, and the cut panna wood la irukliya, which is the physical change, because there is no new substance formed there. Okay, and crushing a can also a physical change, and different colors buttons also, there is the physical change, and burning of wood also, wood is the chemical change. Okay students, in your 6th standard we read that matter is classified as solid, liquid and gas based on the physical state. Okay, matter, in this class also you discussed about matter, states of matter, 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, we know that matter is made up of tiny particles, atoms and molecules. Okay, tiny particles, smaller and smallest particles only only make the matter. Okay, so you studied about atoms and molecules are the building blocks of the matter. Okay, likewise particles are in constant and random movement. Particles in the sense atoms or molecules. ஆட்டம்ஸையோ இல்லை மாலிக்யூல்ஸை தான் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம், பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, particles are in constant and random movement. Let us have a look at the summary of the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas. Okay, before we start discuss the 3 states of matter, you just look at diagram. Okay, solid, liquid, gas. Okay, when the arrangement of the particles in a substance change for any reason. Okay, so how the substance change from one state to another state. Okay, we have to apply some physical things like pressure, alternating temperature and different reasons. Okay, so the physical state of the substance gets changed. Okay, first let us see what happens when we apply heat to the substances. Okay students, you look there, solid, one cylinder containing solid material, another middle cylinder containing liquid material, and last one gaseous material. Okay, so how the molecules are arranged there, that things and all we are going to discuss now. Okay, suppose if we give if we supply the heat on solid, liquid and gases, what will be happen? So that things and all we are going to discuss now. Upon heating, particle arrangement within the state of matter gets disturbed. So disturbed in the sense, if you give the heat, if suppose if you have the some liquid containing vessel, you are going to supply the heat. So which will the liquid after attain that boiling temperature, which will starts boil. So likewise starts boil in the sense, the molecules of the liquids, some molecules, any molecules present there, okay, maybe will be there. So that molecule gets vibrate. ஓகே, அந்த அப்படி வைப்ரேட்டுன்னு சொல்லாமல் தான் சிம்பிளாக வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, பாயில் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ upon heating, particle arrangement within the states of matter gets disturbed. The disturbance is seen either as expansion or contraction. Either expansion or contraction. If you give that, if you supply the heat to the material, the material whether get expansion or contraction. Okay, when heated or cooled, the object may expand or contract, but the mass remains the same. Okay, that is, the number of particles that was inside the object does not undergo any change. Okay students, only the arrangement of the particle changes. When a glass of water is heated, its volume increases. When a glass of water is heated, its volume will be increases, and if a glass of water is cooled, its volume will be decrease. Decrease in the sense contraction. Volume increases in the sense expansion. Okay, so students, when you look the solid, liquid and gaseous object, first of all I'll talk about a solid, in which particles are very close together. Particles, each atoms are very close together. Then second point, particles are arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles are arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles can vibrate about their fixed position. Particles can vibrate when we eat in a fixed position. Next, liquid state, in which particles are close together. Okay, when we compare solid, which will slightly weak. Okay, particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles are arranged, I told you about particles. Particles in the sense atoms and molecules are the particles. Okay, atoms and molecules are the building blocks of the matter. Okay, particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles are able to slide past one another. Okay students, you are watching that molecules, how that molecules or atoms arranged together in that container, cylindrical container. Okay, then you look that a gaseous container. Particles are far apart from each other. ஸோ ஒரு பார்ட்டிகல்ஸுக்கும் ஒரு பார்ட்டிகளுக்கும் இடையில் இருக்கிற டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஒன்லி ஆஃப்டர் வி ஓப்பன் தட் gaseous container, which will automatically go out from the container. Okay, particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles move freely over long distance. Particles are move freely over long distances. Okay students, Such changes where there is change in volume but mass remaining the same are called physical change. Okay, so okay, once again I'll tell you students, such changes where there is change in volume but mass remaining the same are called physical change, and they can be pictorially depicted as follows. Okay, effect of heat again and heat loss. Okay, effect of heat again gain and heat loss. Okay, may result in melting, boiling, freezing and condensation. Okay, this brings about change in state. Okay, when melting, when boiling, when freezing, when condensation. So this brings about change in state. Okay, maybe result in expansion or contraction. Maybe result in expansion or contraction. Okay, next, during which volume changes mass is conserved. During which volume changes mass is conserved. Okay students, there are other possibilities that can occur upon heating the solids, liquids and gaseous. Okay, the possible changes are due to melting, boiling, freezing and condensation, during which there is change in physical state of the particles of the matter. Okay, let us discuss about them in detail in a short while. Okay students, let us now see some physical changes. Let us now see some physical changes and the underlying reason as why they are simply physical change. Okay, students, you know about if you switch on or switch off the bulb. Okay, after you switch on the bulb can glow. After you switch off, the bulb comes its original position. So without changing any volume or any chemical composition, which will regain its original position, which is the physical change. Okay, physical changes are the changes in which only physical properties, okay, only physical properties of a substance undergo a change and there is no change in its chemical composition. Okay, there is no new substance formed in a physical change. Physical properties include luster. Luster in the sense shine. Okay, shining இருக்கிறது, ஷைனிங்காக பண்ணுறது. Malleability, MALLEABILITY, malleability in the sense flexibility. இப்போ ஒரு அயன் இருக்குனாக்கா அதை எப்படி வேணாலும் நம்ம ஹேமரிங் பண்ணி வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் ஹேமர் சுற்றி வச்சு அடித்து எப்படி வேணாலும் ரிங்கு மாதிரியும் சர்க்குலர் ஷேப்லேயும் ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்லேயோ என்ன சார் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஷேப்பில் ஃப்ளவர் மாதிரி செய்யலாம். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் த மல்லிபிலிட்டி, ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டிம்பாங்க. சரி, லஸ்டர் இன் த சென்ஸ் அதையே வந்து பாலிஷ் பண்ணுறது, எவ்வளோ வேணாலும் நம்ம வந்து ஷைனிங்காக பண்ணுறது. ஓகே, அண்ட் டக்டிலிட்டினா இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் மெட்டல் வி கேன் மேக் இட் ட்ரான் தின் ஒயர் ஆர் தின் ஷீட்டு. தின் ஷீட்டாக மாற்றலாம், இல்லை தின் ஒயராக மாற்றலாம். தட் இஸ் த டக்டிலிட்டி. ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் ஐ வில் டெல் யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், physical properties include luster. luster ஷைனிங்காக செய்கிறது, மெட்டல்ஸை ஷைனிங்காக செய்கிறது. மல்லிபிலிட்டினா ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டி அண்ட் டக்டிலிட்டி இன் த சென்ஸ் அந்த மெட்டல் இப்போ ஒரு இரும்பு இருக்குனாக்கா இல்லை அலுமினியம் இருக்குனாக்கா ஒரு சில்வர் இருக்குனாக்கா அதை ஒயர் மாதிரி கம்பி மாதிரி செய்யலாம். அப்படி இல்லைனா தின் ஷீட்டாக நம்மளால் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண முடியும். சரியா, தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த ஃபிசிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் அண்டு density, viscosity, solubility. So about density you knowing that, and about viscosity in the sense thickness, solubility, mass, volume and so on. Any change in these physical properties is referred to as a physical change. For example, when a rubber band is stretched After you stretch the rubber band, what will happen? The rubber band gets elongates. Rubber band gets elongate. Okay, it elongates. However, when then stretching is stopped, stretching is stopped, which will comes its original position. Okay, the rubber band comes back to its original state and shape. Okay, in this example there is no any new substance formed, but the rubber band remains the same before and after elongation. Okay, students, about characteristics of physical change we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.